Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time wheel. This simple yet powerful tool can transform your daily planning. By visually representing your schedule, a time wheel helps you understand and manage your time more effectively. It's an excellent way to ensure you dedicate enough time to important tasks, hobbies, and rest, bringing balance to your day. Let's get started on creating your very own personalized time management aid. To begin, you will need a few basic supplies. Grab 2 pieces of sturdy cardstock, perhaps in contrasting colors, to form the base and the rotating top. A reliable pair of scissors, a ruler, and a pencil are crucial for precise cutting and marking. Don't forget a compass for drawing perfect circles and a brass fastener to join the 2 pieces securely. Finally, an assortment of colored markers will help you categorize your time blocks visually. Now let's construct the wheel. On one cardstock sheet, draw an 8-inch diameter circle for your base. On the second sheet, draw a 7-inch diameter circle for the top. Carefully divide the larger base circle into 24 equal segments, each representing 1 hour. Cut out both circles precisely. Then, using the brass fastener, carefully join the smaller top circle to the center of the larger base circle, ensuring it can rotate freely. With your time wheel assembled, it's time to personalize it. Label the 24 segments on your base circle with the hours of the day, from midnight to 11 p.m. On the smaller top wheel, use your colored markers to designate different activity categories, such as work, study, leisure, or sleep. Now, simply rotate the top wheel to align your planned activities with the corresponding time slots on the base, creating a clear visual schedule for your day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.